Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to use the reverse video in FlexClip. In this tutorial, I'm not going to show you how to create a video, rather how to use the reverse video feature. You can check this in-depth tutorial on how to create videos in FlexClip. So I'm logged into my FlexClip account and I already have a video project open here. This is the same video project that I used in a previous video in which I showed you how to use the freeze frame feature, and you'll find the link at the end of this video. Let me use this play button to play the video so you can see where I added the freeze frame. So there are three sections to this scene. This is the first scene that is playing out, and then I add the freeze frame in the middle, and then the final ending clip, which just resumes the video like so. I'm going to click on this first clip, and then right click on it and choose duplicate, like so, in order to duplicate the clip. Then I'll move this clip and place it soon after the freeze frame clip by dragging and dropping it like so. Then I'll right click on this duplicated clip, and from these options, I'll choose reverse video. It will then start processing the video, and it can take a few seconds depending on how long the video clip is. We don't need this last video clip, so I'm going to click on it and then delete it using the delete key on my keyboard like so. So now let's take a preview of the full scene. So this is the first part, and then I add the freeze frame right here. And then this is the part where I added the reverse video, as you can see. Now this of course is just one example on how to use this feature. You can obviously use your creativity to create some really cool effects. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.